Hey, it's Charles Mentasana here with Service First Mortgage. I've got some great news for your veteran clients, your past clients, family, friends, anyone that's currently on a VA loan. We are cutting costs and rates to help them go from a VA loan to a VA loan. It is time to help our veterans. They do so much for us. It is time for us to help them. So I want to go over a few things with the deal, and after you see it, you're going to see that it's a no-brainer. So we love our veterans here at Service First, and we're looking at really helping them with the Irrl, the interest rate reduction loan. So what we're doing is Service First has drastically reduced the rates and cost on all of our VA refinances. That's a VA loan to a VA loan. We've made it so easy that it's a no-brainer to do. So let me show you. What, you ask? Well, we don't verify assets. We don't verify employment. We don't verify income. We don't do an appraisal. There's no lender fees. All you have to have is a credit score above 600 and no lates on your mortgage. That simple. The only costs that are involved are title company fees and your escrow account. So no other cost available. We need to help them. Today we ran a deal and the interest rate for them was 3.75%. 3.75%. And you have got to get your veterans to give me a call. Anyone that's currently on a VA loan, there is not another lender out there doing this. I can assure you that. We are trying to take care of our veterans, to thank them for everything they do for us. So just remember, 214-543-3997. 214-543-3997. Look forward to helping you and your clients. Have a great, great day.